Happy Monday, August 4th, 2025, everybody, and it is cool outside today. Yay! But the problem is that heat will return this week due to the outflow of Ridge of Fire, what I call it. So what does that typically mean is that if there is disturbance along the southeast coast, hot air is rising and like circling around it, forming in the central United States, Great Plains, Great Lakes, and especially into the northeast, which we're going to be watching for. But as of now, we're seeing this huge trough to the east and wedge to the west, which means the west and southwest is getting boiling hot in heat right now, and that is what I guess what's making the wildfires go wild, especially across the southwest desert wildfire. So I hope you guys are okay from that, especially from Grand Canyon, because Grand Canyon is Morphland is dead right now. So I hope you guys are okay from that. But anyways, let's talk about the weather here, because we do got some rain to the southeast of there, especially from South Carolina, Georgia, Florida as of today. Moving on to tomorrow here, August 5th, same thing, we still got rain to the southeast, but don't forget we got rain coming in from the Morville and Central Great Plains too, due to the wedge in the trough interacted, which creates precipitation, and some thunderstorm and some windstorm as well. So we need to watch for some severe weather across this area today and tomorrow, especially during the next day too. So Wednesday, August 6th, you can see here that we got this trough starting to dissipate and wedge is starting to expand across the western United States. And then this will go on till August 7th, when this huge wedge is reaching the Great Lakes. And then this heat bubbling air with this trough coming into the northwest will make the wedge go haywire and start to turn to the Wildville, making a hit across the Great Lakes area. And this will continue with showers and some thunderstorm possible across the central Great Plains into the Great Lakes as well for August 10th into August 11th. So you can see here we got this. So we're going to get cooler air, and then as we get through August 10th, this is where the thunderstorm will return across much of the eastern United States, and this will continuously stay the same as well, with trough and cold front constantly coming through there, causing some showers and some thunderstorms. And don't forget, and we do got a hurricane too coming in from the southwest as well, according to this GFS model. Now this is going to be one, so take it as a great aside, but you can see here we got this big storm developing in, look at that, 953 mobile low pressure system. That is significant for a hurricane, guys. Now this is too far out, so take it as the great aside, but you can see it will hit Florida around August 14th. As of now, things might change, so I will update you if things change. And this will continue going up through the peninsula of Florida into Alabama and Georgia, and this will dissipate as it gets up into the Great Lakes. So this is going to be one of those things where we have to watch for tropical development over the next few days. So you can see here from the Marshall Hurricane Center, there it is. So first of all, we have to watch for this development. This is 75% of development over the next 48 hours and 7 days. But good news says this may constantly head out to sea, heading northeast out to sea. So that's going to be some great news. But we may have a next tropical main system, guys. So we're going to be watching that really closely. And we also do got this 40% chance of development over the next 7 days across the India, which shows for main development region across the Atlantic. And we got the 5% chance of development over the next 7 days across the far south east off the Atlantic coast as well, so we're going to be watching that as well. So we got a lot of stuff to watch for. Here's the take a look at the temperature. So this is for today, tomorrow, and you can see it is cool across the east. Very super duper hot across the desert west. This is where it's meant to be during the summertime. And look at that, 116. That is significant for the Amazon desert southwest. You can see here this will move east and rise move east across the Great Lakes. And look at that. They may reach 90, 91 across the Great Lakes, so it will be warm again. This cold air will not last for long, so we have to be ready for that as we get for the August 16 time mark. So here's the Storm Prediction Center for day 2, which is today, August 3rd, and okay, is this Sunday? Oh, okay, update. So this is today, so we got this module with for some severe weather across Montana. We may take a break from severe weather other than the wind and the hail across the Great Plains. So that would be some great news for this summer of devastating severe thunderstorm stuff and some tornadoes and stuff. Day 3, tomorrow. Day 2, tomorrow will be martial winds across the Great Dakotas, but we might upgrade this to the slot width as we get closer, so stay tuned with that. And the temperature 6 to 10-day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center is showing how across the Great Lakes, about average temperature across the west and the desert southwest, and then below average temperature across the northwest here, and the southeast, potentially due to the hurricanes and stuff. So, guys, we got a lot going on up here, which we're going to be watching for throughout the next couple of weeks. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Whoop.